Hello, I'm here in my garden with an unboxing video of this magnetic cable to charge my phone. This is from pzos accessories, mobile accessories. I have already opened the package to be easier with the video, and now I have the regular micro USB port. It's not the type C, it's the regular one. Okay, here's the cable. Seems to be braided. Now let's open. Quite a long cable. Here are the pins. Here's the logo. And let's see how this works. Quite a strong grip. Quite a strong grip. And it works. Very strong grip. It keeps it firmly in place. Nice. So I will test this on my phone. I have the power bank here. This goes inside. So far so good. Delivery was a bit slow, but it was worth the wait. I can't wait to test it. So that's it for now. I will come back with another review, another unboxing video maybe. Till now you can enjoy these beautiful clouds and all these beautiful green outside.